Are you looking for the best 80+ gold certified power supply for your build? Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a power user, choosing the right PSU is crucial for performance, stability, and efficiency. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best 80+ gold certified power supplies and break down their pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Gigabyte GP-UD750GM 80+ gold certified power supply. The Gigabyte GP-UD750GM is an 80+ gold certified power supply unit, PSU, designed for high-performance systems, such as gaming rigs and workstations. It boasts several features that make it an attractive choice for users seeking efficiency, reliability, and ease of installation. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. This video, we explore the pros and cons of the Gigabyte GP-UD750GM to help you decide if it's the right PSU for your needs. Pros: 80+ gold certification for energy efficiency. The 80+ gold certification ensures that the GP-UD750GM operates with high energy efficiency, achieving up to 90% efficiency at 50% load. This translates to lower power consumption, reduced heat output, and quieter operation. For users looking to save on energy costs and minimize their environmental footprint, this is a significant advantage. 750W capacity with single plus 12V rail. With a 750W power output, this PSU is well suited for high-demand systems, including those with powerful GPUs and multiple components. The single plus 12V rail ensures consistent and stable power delivery, reducing the risk of power imbalances or shortages during peak performance. Fully modular design for improved cable management. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the system but also improves airflow and cooling efficiency by reducing cable clutter inside the case. High-quality Japanese capacitors. The GP-UD750GM is equipped with Japanese capacitors, which are renowned for their durability and reliability. These components ensure stable power delivery and contribute to the PSU's longer lifespan, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. Compact design for space-constrained builds. The compact form factor of this PSU makes it an excellent option for small form factor builds or cases with limited space. Its reduced length simplifies installation in a variety of chassis, offering flexibility for users with space constraints. Cons: noise levels under heavy load. Although the 80+ gold certification contributes to quieter operation, some users have reported that the PSU can become noticeably louder under heavy loads. This may be a concern for those who prioritize a silent computing environment. The Gigabyte GP-UD750GM 80+ gold certified power supply is a solid choice for users seeking a reliable, efficient, and compact PSU for their gaming or workstation builds. Its high-quality components, fully modular design, and energy efficiency make it a strong contender in its category. Coming in at number 4, we have the MSI MAG A750GL 80+ gold certified power supply. The MSI MAG A750GL 80+ gold certified power supply is designed to deliver efficiency, stability, and future-proof compatibility for modern PC builds. With its energy-saving features, modular design, and robust cooling system, this PSU is an excellent choice for both gamers and professional users. However, like any product, it comes with its strengths and weaknesses. This video, we explore the pros and cons of this power supply to help you determine if it's the right fit for your setup. Pros: high energy efficiency. The MSI MAG A750GL boasts an 80+ gold certification, ensuring high energy efficiency. This translates to reduced power consumption and lower electricity bills while also generating less heat, which contributes to the longevity and stability of your system. Fully modular design. A fully modular PSU means you only use the cables you need, leading to reduced cable clutter and improved airflow within the case. This makes installation easier and helps maintain a clean and aesthetically pleasing build. ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compatibility. With support for the latest ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards, this power supply is ready for next-generation components. It can handle power spikes from high-performance GPUs and other demanding hardware, making it a future-proof investment. Distinctive 16-pin PCIe cable. The dual-color 16-pin PCIe cable not only adds a unique visual touch but also makes it easier for users to ensure a proper connection. This reduces the likelihood of installation errors and connectivity issues. Stable and efficient power delivery. The full-bridge DC-to-DC design enhances power conversion efficiency and ensures a stable output voltage. This helps protect your components and maintains optimal system performance. Quiet and effective cooling. Equipped with fluid dynamic bearing fans, the MSI MAG A750GL efficiently balances cooling and noise reduction. This makes it ideal for users who prefer a quieter computing environment without sacrificing thermal performance. Cons. Large size may not fit all cases. Due to its robust build and high power capacity, this PSU may be bulkier than standard units. Users with compact cases or limited space may struggle with fitting it into their build. The MSI MAG A750GL 80+ Gold certified power supply is a solid choice for those seeking efficiency, reliability, and future-proofing. Its modular design, quiet cooling, and support for next-gen hardware make it a compelling option for gamers and enthusiasts. At number 3, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 80+ Gold certified power supply. The Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 80+ Gold certified power supply is designed to provide efficient and reliable power to a variety of PC builds. With its high efficiency rating, quiet cooling system, and robust safety features, this power supply unit is an appealing choice for gamers, professionals, and casual users alike. However, like any product, it comes with both strengths and potential drawbacks. Let's examine the pros and cons of the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2. Pros. High energy efficiency. The 80+ Gold certification ensures up to 90% efficiency under typical loads. This translates into lower energy bills and reduced heat output, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice for long-term use. Ultra-quiet operation. The dynamic bearing 120 fan delivers excellent cooling performance while maintaining a near-silent operation. This is particularly beneficial for users who need a quiet environment, whether for gaming, office work, or general computing tasks. Reliable and stable performance. With high-quality capacitors, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 provides stable power delivery and reduces ripple noise. This is crucial for ensuring that performance-intensive components, such as graphics cards, function without interruptions or instability. Strong safety features. Equipped with industry-grade protections, including overpower protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, and short-circuit protection, this PSU safeguards your system against electrical hazards and potential damage. Consistent power delivery. The single 12V rail design ensures stable power distribution, making it ideal for modern GPUs that require a steady and high power supply. Additionally, the DC-to-DC structure further enhances reliability across all components. Cons. Non-modular design. Unlike fully modular PSUs, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 comes with fixed cables, which can lead to cable clutter inside your PC case. This may affect airflow and aesthetics, particularly in compact builds. The Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 80+ Gold certified power supply is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and quiet PSU. It excels in power efficiency, stability, and safety features, making it a great option for mid-range to high-end gaming or professional setups. In the second spot, we have the Evga 850GT 80+ Gold certified power supply. When building or upgrading a PC, choosing the right power supply unit is essential for ensuring stable performance and longevity. The Evga 850GT 80+ Gold certified power supply stands out as a reliable option, offering a balance of efficiency, durability, and quiet operation. Here's a closer look at its strengths and potential drawbacks. Pros. High efficiency. The 80+ Gold certification means this PSU operates with high efficiency, minimizing energy waste and lowering electricity costs. This is especially beneficial for users running high-performance systems or those who keep their computers on for extended periods. Modular flexibility. A fully modular design allows users to connect only the necessary cables, leading to a cleaner, more organized build. This not only improves aesthetics but also enhances airflow, contributing to better overall cooling and performance. Durability and reliability. The use of 100% Japanese capacitors ensures superior quality and longevity. These components make the Evga 850GT a reliable choice for long-term investment, reducing the likelihood of failures and maintenance issues. Comprehensive protection with a full suite of protection mechanisms including overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, overcurrent protection, overpower protection, short-circuit protection, and dual over-temperature protection. This PSU safeguards your system from potential electrical hazards, ensuring stability and security. Quiet operation. Thanks to a fluid dynamic bearing fan and Evga's Auto Eco mode, the PSU operates quietly, with the fan activating only when necessary. This results in a silent computing environment while also extending the fan's lifespan. Cons. Potential overkill for basic builds. For users building entry-level or energy-efficient PCs, an 850W PSU may be excessive, both in power and cost. Opting for a lower wattage unit could be a more economical choice in such cases. The Evga 850GT80 Plus Gold Certified power supply is a strong contender for those seeking efficiency, modular flexibility, and long-term reliability. With its high-quality components, comprehensive protection features, and quiet operation, it caters well to gamers, content creators, and power users. And finally, at number 1, we have the Corsair RM850X 80 Plus Gold Certified power supply. The Corsair RM850X is a high-performance power supply unit designed for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and professionals seeking reliable and efficient power delivery. With its fully modular design, quiet cooling system, and premium components, this PSU promises a balance of performance and convenience. Here's a closer look at its strengths and weaknesses. Pros. Fully modular design. The fully modular nature of the RM850X allows users to connect only the necessary cables, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. This not only improves aesthetics but also enhances airflow within the case, leading to better cooling performance. Quiet and efficient cooling. Equipped with a 135mm magnetic levitation fan, this PSU delivers efficient cooling while maintaining low noise levels. The advanced fan technology ensures quiet operation, making it a great choice for users who prioritize silent performance. High compatibility. The inclusion of an EPS12V connector ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern hardware, including the latest motherboards and graphics cards. This makes it suitable for both gaming setups and professional workstations. Durable components. Corsair has integrated 100% Japanese capacitors rated at 105C, ensuring long-term reliability and stable power delivery. These high-quality components enhance the PSU's lifespan and overall performance, especially under heavy loads. Energy efficiency. The RM850X boasts an 80+ Gold certification, which guarantees high efficiency. This leads to reduced power consumption, lower heat output, and ultimately, lower electricity bills. A more efficient PSU also contributes to the longevity of other PC components by maintaining stable power delivery. Cons. Size considerations. While the RM850X fits most standard ATX cases, smaller cases with limited PSU clearance may pose installation challenges. Users should check their case dimensions before purchasing. The Corsair RM850X is a premium power supply that excels in efficiency, durability, and silent operation. Its fully modular design and high-quality components make it a top-tier choice for high-performance builds.